So our Innovation and Impact program is our school's signature program, geared towards students generating their own action projects that address the UN Sustainable Development Goals.
Today we're at EF Academy Pasadena doing a community ride and bike build.
Our group name is EF Bike Rental Initiative.
The bike group is working with a local organization here in Pasadena to be able to build bikes from scratch, and those particular bikes are going to be donated to those in need.
I think cycling brings people together because it's just a fun and easy thing to do. It's a way to commute from point A to B. It's also a way to stay fit.
So the students in the bike group have had this really cool opportunity to see how they can start with an idea that's for our really immediate community, forming a checkout system for their peers to be able to check out bikes. So with this bike build in particular, they've learned how to build an actual bike, which is really exciting. And now they will need to teach others how to be able to do that. So I see the bike build as being a really cool opportunity for our students to expand their skills and to see that their work has an application beyond our community.
I think the Innovation and Impact program was really cool today, and to build bikes with the students on campus and to show them how to do that, and also to know that the bike is going back to the community as well.
The more people we can get on bikes through programs like this, the better. It's been a really nice event to be a part of.